Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making a refreshing summer dish, spicy garlic water spinach salad. Just look at this, bright green, glossy, with that little kick from chili. Doesn't it look like the perfect side for a hot day? Alright, let's get started. These soybeans have been soaked in advance for about 3 hours. Bring a wok of water to a boil. Add the soybeans, along with 1 teaspoon of salt, and cook until tender. Then remove and drain. Then grab a bunch of water spinach. If the stems are too long, just cut them in half. It will be easier to cook and eat. Next, chop up some scallions. Mince a few garlic cloves. And slice some fresh chili. Prep's all done. Now let's cook. Bring a wok of water to a boil. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of oil. Toss the water spinach in. And once the water comes back to a boil, take it out right away. Rinse it with cold water since this is a cold dish. Now the sauce in a bowl. Add the garlic and chili. Then pour over some hot oil to bring out that amazing aroma. After that, add 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of MSG, 1 teaspoon of sugar, half a tablespoon of sesame oil, half a tablespoon of Sichuan peppercorn oil, the cooked soybeans, about 200 milliliters of warm water, and some scallions. Mix everything well. Squeeze out the excess water from the spinach. Place it neatly on the plate, and pour the sauce all over. Wow, look at those colors! A light, refreshing dish perfect for summer, and it's ready in no time. Let me taste it. Oh yes, so fresh, flavorful, with just the right balance of heat and aroma. Simple, quick, and seriously delicious. Don't just watch, make it at home and enjoy. Thanks for watching. See you next time.